What's up everybody, Michael from RoyalElements.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make glossy printable vinyl stickers like these that you can place on any surface you want. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go to Canva.com. This is where we're going to design our stickers. I am going to log in, but if you haven't already, you can sign up and create an account. Next, you're going to come into this Home tab, and then we're going to go up to the top left and click on Create a Design. This will pop up. We're going to hit Custom Size down here, and you can already see I have in 8.5 by 11 inches, and this is what we're going to use to create this new sticker design. So we'll hit Create New Design. Here we go. Now we have a full 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. What we can do is we can now create our design. I like to go up to this Elements tab, and then I am going to come in here and search, and I am going to type in cute cat. Okay, I'm gonna look for a graphic that is something that is cute and a cat. So I am going to select this one right here. Okay, this is going to be our design that we're going to print on this 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of printable vinyl sticker paper, and then we're going to cut this out. We're going to use scissors, but if you are a small sticker business, you could use a Cricut machine or something similar. I'm going to come over here and actually edit this really quickly. I want to auto adjust it, or if that is not available, I want to turn up the brightness a little bit, +10. And then I also am a fan of a good bit of vibrance and saturation. So you can see it looks like a deeper vibrant pink, and then this looks kind of black and white. So I'm going to turn that up a little bit as well. And that looks good. So I'm going to print out a couple of these. So all I'm going to do is drop this down. Just keep in mind this is the full 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. I'm going to do only 3 for this demonstration. I know a lot of you will say in the comments you're wasting paper, but this is for a demo, and this is just to help you guys out. So here we are. Let's center these up a little bit better, and this is our stickers. Now I'm going to name it, and it's going to be Cute Cat Stickers. Okay, I'm going to hit this share button now up in the top right. I'm going to hit download. I'm going to make sure they're PNG files. It says PDF is best for printing. I have not found that to be the case. I found that PNG works great. And then I'm going to hit this download button. So here we go. I downloaded it, cutecatstickers.png. Now we are going to open it up, and here are the cat stickers. If I fully zoom this, I can hit Command and P. I am on a Mac, and now we can send this to our printer. I'm actually going to print on a HP Color LaserJet Pro, because I believe that has a little bit better resolution. And then once that is ready, it's not connected currently, but I would hit click to print. So before you actually print, you're going to want to get your printable vinyl sticker paper out. We're using Glossy Royal Elements printable vinyl. We're using a Color LaserJet Pro, and so I'm going to remove that regular copy paper from the printer. I'm going to stick our glossy printable vinyl in the printer, which you can go to royalelements.com to pick up a pack, and then you're going to check and print the file. The laser printer is going to go ahead and print that out nice and quick, comes out clean, and then you have your printable vinyl stickers that are ready to be cut out. You have your extra sheets and a pair of scissors or a Cricut machine if you want. So we're going to put these stickers on this water bottle, and I opted to cut these out by hand to show you that you don't need an expensive machine. If you're a small business and you sell stickers, it is a very good idea to pick up at least an Explore Air 2. We have a tutorial on how to use that on our channel, and here is how the cute cat stickers turned out. So I printed, I cut around the corners, and now we're just going to peel it up, and we're going to place the sticker down and smooth out any potential air bubbles. We can just use our fingers. We could also use a squeegee. So these are glossy printable vinyl stickers, and this is how they turned out. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.